Hey guys, this is SassyShifSays. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video is going to be another unboxing video. Ta-da! With my favorite jewelry subscription box, the Bling Bag. This is their July edition that I'm holding in my hand, and let's open this baby right up. The July edition is called the Classic Essentials, and before I take like a peek into it, for me personally, Classic Essential means pearls and really colorful crystals and some choker pieces. So let's see what's inside. Like always, here's the little information paper that tells you about what's inside the July edition. And the Classic Essentials is actually your favorite go-to baubles that are going to stay by you all year round, and you can keep reaching out to them whether it's your day number or a party look. They say that this July we're here to add a class to your wardrobe with a few must-have baubles. So let's see what the Classic Essentials have. So as you guys know, every edition of the Bling Bag comes with its own clutch or purse, and this edition has this classic little sequined bag, which is actually so cool because you can change out the color of the sequins. And I had a jacket, dress, and I have a pillow in the backdrop, which is just like this. It's going right there because I love sequences, I love color, and I feel that this is so nice and colorful. This can be a nice party addition to my makeup and jewelry bags. We have 4 beautiful baubles, and the July edition, I'm going to be starting with what I said earlier, pearls, and I thought Margot drop pearl earrings. This is how the pearl drop earrings look, and I feel like the look is going to be so royal and so classic that you definitely are going to look like a head turner diva, and I think this just will suit right now what I'm wearing, so I'm just going to quickly pop these on. There you go, so beautiful, right? And I would like the most personally about the Bling Bag pieces that I have been unboxing personally is like the statement pieces that they have. For example, this, it looks big, but when you actually wear it, it's really light, and that makes it really handy for a day-to-day look or for your travels. Okay, so the second one that I'm going to be reaching out is the Emma adjustable bracelet. So this is how the Emma adjustable bracelet looks like, and they also have a beautiful glowing crystals leaf motif. And how beautiful is this? I really like the fact that you just have to pull on either ends for you to be able to loosen it up. For you to loosen it up, you just pull it on one end. For you to tighten it up, you actually pull it the other way. And this actually makes it really handy because for someone like me who's used to you know, like adjusting bracelets or necklaces using that hook that we have, which also has like 2 to 3 extra clasps or 1 to 3 extra looks in it, this is going to be very handy because you can size it as per your wrist and not just like keep it hanging even if it doesn't fit you. You know what I mean? I've been there and that. I've had so many issues when it comes to having those 2 to 3 extra hooks, but it doesn't fit me, then what? But you won't have that problem with this one because this is going to be fitting you perfectly. Next up are these really beautiful Anna statement earrings. They are definitely so classy looking, and when you're wearing these, you really do not need to add anything else to your look. I feel the white and dark pink or baby pink, I feel the white and baby pink crystals are complementing each other so well. And if you know me, I am a sucker for all shades of pink, and I think you're going to be seeing me in these a lot, whether it's for my look travels or for my YouTube videos as well. Again, they look big, but they're really light, and I like that about Bling Bag the most. And I feel these will also be an ideal pick for your wedding functions or for your party looks. Especially these will complement your Indian looks and your Western dresses with as much ease. Remember, before I jumped into unboxing, how I told you guys that for me, personally, classic pieces also symbolize pearls and chokers and oxidized jewelry. So here is the fourth product that I have in my hand, this beautiful little choker necklace, which is called Amy Choker Necklace, and just look how beautiful the marble stone on it is. It's good, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna actually wear this now. I think I have something in mind where I have a striped dress which I have not shot with it, but I'm going to soon shoot with it, and this will make a really perfect accessory to it. Again, really lightweight, doesn't really poke, doesn't have pointy edges. I hope you guys have enjoyed the July unboxing video of the Classic Essentials collection by the Bling Bag, and if you want more such videos for me, please like, share, subscribe, spread the love, and tell me in the comments below which is your favorite bauble and which is the one piece that you'd like to own it for yourself, and I might just throw it in my SassyShifSays monthly most active user giveaway. And I love doing this for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. Until my next video, keep it sassy.